The 7 things keeping you poor. What if the reason you're struggling financially isn't that you don't make enough money? What if it's the small decisions you make every single day? You could be earning more than ever, yet still feel like you're getting nowhere. Here are 7 things that could be keeping you poor. Number 1, lifestyle inflation. Every time your income goes up, your expenses go up with it. You get a raise and suddenly you want a better car, a bigger apartment, more expensive restaurants, and more subscriptions. The problem isn't earning more money. The problem is spending every extra dollar you earn. Number 2, buying things to look rich. A new phone, designer clothes, an expensive car. They may make you look wealthy, but looking rich and being rich are completely different things. Wealth is what you keep, not what you show. Number 3, high interest debt. Credit cards can make spending feel painless. But when you carry a balance, interest can turn a small purchase into a much bigger financial burden. Instead of your money working for you, your money starts working for the bank. Number 4, never investing. Keeping all your money in cash might feel safe, but over time, inflation reduces what that money can actually buy. Investing consistently gives your money the opportunity to grow over many years through compounding. Number 5, waiting to start. A lot of people say, "I'll invest when I earn more." Then they earn more and still don't start. You don't need to be rich to begin building wealth. You need to start with what you have and improve over time. Number 6, depending on only one income. If your entire financial life depends on one paycheck, losing that paycheck can change everything. Building valuable skills, creating additional income streams, or starting a small side business can give you more financial flexibility. And number 7, ignoring where your money goes. You can't improve what you don't measure. If you don't know how much you earn, how much you spend, and where your money disappears, every month, you're essentially flying blind. The good news? None of these problems have to define your future. You can control your spending. You can reduce bad debt. You can start investing. You can increase your skills and income. And most importantly, you can start today. Because becoming wealthy usually isn't about one huge financial decision. It's about making better decisions consistently, for years. The question is, which one of these 7 is keeping you poor?